English Phrases Explained. Drink and enjoy. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrases drink and enjoy. These common phrases are not just simple words, but they carry cultural and social meanings that are interesting to learn. Let's dive in. Drink is a verb that primarily means to take a liquid into the mouth and swallow. But in English, it often goes beyond this basic meaning. For instance, when someone says, "Let's go for a drink," they usually mean to go out and have alcoholic beverages, usually in a social setting. It's important to understand the context to get the real meaning. Moving on to enjoy. This verb means to take pleasure in something. It's a versatile word and can be used in various contexts. You can enjoy a movie, a meal, or even a moment. When used in the phrase, "enjoy your meal," it's a polite expression wishing someone pleasure in eating their food. Now, when we combine these two words as in drink and enjoy, it becomes a phrase encouraging someone to not only consume a beverage but also to take pleasure in the experience. This phrase is often used in social gatherings, parties, or even in marketing for beverages. It encapsulates a sense of relaxation, pleasure, and social enjoyment. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrases drink and enjoy a bit better. Remember, language is not just about words, but also the feelings and contexts they evoke. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these phrases like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.